Hello, in this short video we're going to be going over some of the new functionality added to Epics that will track months used in a power case. The first thing we're going to do is go to the PRAW screen, which will show any previous aid or work incentives or TANF months or power months that your client has received. This column stands for the TANF countable months. If there is a Y in this column, it means that this month is countable towards the 60-month limit. Epics is going to auto-populate this column based on the eligibility information that you've already inputted into Epics. You do not manually have to put anything into this column. If there is a Y in the exempt column, that month does not count towards the 60-month limit and is not countable. Again, Epics automatically populates that column, so you won't manually have to put anything into it. This next column stands for Authorize Extension. This is for cases claiming hardship extension to receive more than the 60 months. You won't be able to enter anything into this column, but if a client submits a request for an extension, the information will be put in there by the Power Program Manager. The next column stands for total countable months. Epics is going to automatically calculate the total countable TANF or power months for each individual in the case and include it in this column. This final column will allow you to access the TATR or Tatr screen. This screen is the TANF tracking screen. In order to access that, you simply need to put a Y into that final column next to the individuals you want to check on. So for our example, we're just going to check on the primary applicant. Here you can see the TANF tracking screen, or Tatr. This includes the client's name and the total countable TANF or power months they have received. The first column in this screen stands for Action. This column can be used when we want to add an out-of-state month or delete a month. In order to add a month, we simply go to that column, put an A for add, the month that that TANF benefit was received, if it was countable, exempt, and what state it was received in. If you need to delete a month, just go to the action column next to the month you want to delete, enter a D, and that month will be deleted. You can only delete months that you have manually entered. You will not be able to delete any of the auto-populated months. You can also add multiple months at one time using the same process. Note that once we've entered those months, the total countable months are automatically updated on both the Tatr screen and the PRAW screen. Epics will also now send you an alert during the 52nd month to remind you about the extension months. This alert will continue to show up on your screens until the extension field is completed by the Power Program Manager. So this has been just a quick recap on how you can use Epics to track TANF and power months received both in-state and out-of-state.